So, hello and welcome everyone. My name is Amit Patel, and you are watching Musings with Software Engineers. If you are new to this channel, then on this channel, I share ideas, insight, tools, and tactics that can take your career from wherever it is in the software industry to an epic level of success. So, if you want to be successful in your career, then subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. Let us begin. Prithvi, why people jump from one company to another? Because they are not satisfied with their salary or they are not satisfied with their project. Some companies are not giving programming projects, so they will hire freshers and they will put them on a project, but they don't give them programming jobs. They'll put them on a support project or they will put them on some dummy projects or something like that, and people get frustrated. And because of that, people jump from one company to another company. Okay, what I would suggest is that if you join a very big company, for example, if you join TCS and Infosys, Accenture or Cognizant or such big companies, and you get a project which is not good, or you get a project where you don't get the exposure to software development, don't jump the company. Okay, whatever project you are doing, you do the work so well that you make your manager your friend. Okay, on the side you start learning programming such a way that you can tell your manager at some point that, look, I want to go from this to this, I don't want to do this, I want to do programming, can you help me get into those projects? And chances are that within that company you will get that opportunity. Okay, there is a possibility that within that company you will get that opportunity because you did all the work that was required to get a job, and after getting a job, in few days you are dissatisfied. You know, there is a story of one fellow called Mr. Darby and his uncle, and there was a gold rush in America. And during this gold rush, this uncle found out that in California there is a place called Sacramento where people are finding gold. So he, along with Darby, went to Sacramento to find gold. So he borrowed money from all his family and friends and said, I'm going to find gold and I'm going to return the money to you. And then he went there, he bought some equipment using the money he had got, and he started digging for gold. And he was digging, and then finally, after many weeks, he did not find any gold. He found a little bit of gold, but not the way everybody was saying that the gold is there in Sacramento. Okay, and finally, he had already used up all the money that he had brought with him from family and friends. Then he decided to go back. Okay, so he returned the equipment that he had borrowed or rented from one company. He returned the equipment, and when he returned the equipment, that person asked him, why are you returning this equipment? And he said, you know, I found some gold, but I did not find enough gold, and I've already wasted a lot of money, all my money is over, I have to go back. Okay, so this fellow asked him, where were you digging? And he showed him the spot where this fellow was digging. And then these uncle and Darby, they went back to their native. Okay, and this fellow who was the equipment owner, he called a geologist and he asked him to do a survey of the area where these people were digging. And what he found was that 1 feet away from where the uncle had stopped digging, there was gold. And this equipment, the person who was giving the equipments on rent, he found the gold which that uncle did not find because he left too soon. So don't become that uncle in your job. Don't leave your job if you got a very good company, companies that a lot of software engineers want to work for. If you are in that company, then you try to work your way towards growth within that company. Don't just leave your job because your first project was not good. Maybe the second project will be good, maybe the third project will be good. Show your acumen such that the company will find you to be capable for those projects which they had hired you in the beginning. Okay, so don't leave the jobs, don't jump the jobs. I will be linking my program How to Become A Players. If you are already in a job and if you are thinking of growing in your job, then this How to Become A Players will help you. Next live will be on Thursday at 9:05 and see you in the next live. Thank you very much. Thank you everyone.